enjoying the time making the dead hedge. I gotta cut the ends, but I am slowly getting this fence put together with all the dead hedging. Got plenty of dead material around here. Rather than burn it, why not make a fence? Got a lot of looky-loos looking at it. I've eliminated 3 piles of cuttings. And if you look back there, I've killed off 4 trees. I'm just glad to get rid of them. But it's nice. Que bueno. So he hecho mi fence. Poco a poco. 4 pies arriba. That's what I'm doing. Just laying it down and making it. So anyway, got most of that cleared out. I got to work on clearing this out. And make things work. That's what I'm doing. Slowly getting my property in order. Take care, everyone.